What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Richie Ruckus.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Richie Ruckus. We are back here today. It is Wednesday, January 3rd. We are 3 days deep into 2018. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful 2018 thus far. Today, we're going to be getting into an unboxing, review, and on feet of a brand new pickup of Adidas sneakers. But before we jump into this review, two quick things. One, the Sneaker Things hoodie restocks this Friday, January 5th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. RichieRuckus.com, $25. I ship internationally. Number two, please hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to my channel. Please hit that thumbs up if you're feeling this video, and follow your boy on all social. So today, I got a new pickup. Shout outs to the homies over at Champs over at the Cherry Hill Mall for helping me pick these up. I've already reviewed a different model of the sneaker on my channel. So the review is going to be, nothing too groundbreaking, just pretty much going over this new colorway. Let's get a glimpse of these Warlocks. We got that Adidas Prophere in that gray, white, and solar red infrared. And I like these more than I like my black pair, and I love my black pair. The gray on these is just, they bodied these. And I know the Prophere is a captivating, it's a conversation starter, the sneaker. You either love it or hate it. It's polarizing. Nobody's just like, I like the Prophere a little bit, or I dislike it a little bit. You either love this sneaker or you hate it. I happen to be one of the people that love it. You guys know I'm not blowing smoke up your behinds. This is my second pair. Both pair I bought with my hard-earned money. I'm not getting these sneakers ooped to me. These aren't getting given to me to be reviewed. I'm spending my money on these sneakers because I love them. I know the Boost boys are out there and they're going to trash that they don't have that Boost bottom. But this Prophere bottom is very, very comfortable. The aesthetics of the sneaker are great. I know a lot of people don't like the big three stripes. I love them. I know a lot of people hate this big, bulky, chunky sole. I love it. I know it comes up a little high on the upper. The midsole comes up really high for a lot of people. Again, I love it. The pattern, I don't think anybody's ever complained about the actual pattern of the knit of this sneaker. Like I stated in the previous review, I know it's not prime knit, but it's still a very good quality knit. Just minor differences between this and the black one. The black one had the solar red stripes on the back. The gray has the black. Instead of having hints of gray throughout the upper, there's hints of black on the gray upper. Other than that, the pull tab's gray. The laces are gray. Adidas branding is gray. Other than that, it's pretty much the same sneaker. That's really it, guys. There's nothing like earth-shattering or groundbreaking with this review. We've already reviewed this silhouette, this model, just a different colorway on this channel. So I'm not going to sit here and, just keep rambling on and giving you guys some false new information, because it's exactly the same sneaker, just a different colorway. We're going to go do it on feet. I'll be back tomorrow with another video. But until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
Play this record as frequently as possible.
Richie Ruckus Beats. Richie Ruckus Beats.